In my opinion, the biggest mistake that we can make when playing or practicing guitar is to do so with unnecessary tension. And whether that tension's in our minds or in our bodies, tension is just going to result in the same thing, which is going to be plateaus, walls, regressions, will get worse, maybe injury, and of course a lot of frustration. If you take a second and just think of your favorite guitarist playing on stage, chances are that in your mind, that person or those people look really relaxed on stage. And I guarantee, I know for a fact, that in their practice sessions, they are also very relaxed. So for us to make progress, we need to be like the pros in that sense and double down on our relaxation during our practice. Now it's true, obviously there are challenging things that we need to overcome in our practice sessions, whether it's a technique that we're having a hard time developing, or a phrase that we can't quite get. The incorrect approach is to try to power through it, double down and tense up our shoulders and our hands and that kind of thing to make it work and force it to work. Instead, what we want to do is stop for a second, take a deep breath, scan our bodies for tension and just relax. Literally just relax your hands, your shoulders. Usually there's a lot of shoulder tension and hand tension when playing guitar. So get rid of that and then approach your phrase again from that relaxed state. I guarantee that the more you associate relaxation with the guitar, and especially with challenges, the faster you're going to progress. So please give that a shot in your next practice session. If you want more tips like this, by the way, I have a free gift for you. Click the link in the description below and you can download a free PDF that I wrote up that highlights the 10 biggest mistakes that you could be making that are sabotaging your practice. So go ahead and grab that link and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.